What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the JACLYN Hill palette. Obviously, I went to Morphe again and I picked up the JACLYN Hill palette, so today I'm going to be doing a review on that. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. Okay, as we all know, JACLYN Hill has had some shaky makeup releases, so today I'm excited to find out how this one is. So it actually came out today. Today is February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. So I'm guessing she released this palette just in time for Valentine's Day. This will make a perfect gift. So this is what it looks like. Very sleek and simple. It just says JACLYN Hill Palette Volume 2. And I do not have the first palette, but I've heard a lot of things about how it looks similar to the first one. So if I can insert a picture, I will. But in the back, it just has this picture of her, and it has just a message, which I honestly am not a fan of this makeup look. It's kind of too drastic for me, but let's go ahead and dive into this palette. So it comes with this bubble wrap. Now, I can say this bubble wrap is very thick bubble wrap, so I'm guessing she did not want any mess ups, any broken palettes, or any mistakes like that. And then we have the palette. My cat is... Move, please. Excuse me. Very professional, simple, not over the top. I am a big fan of that. Nothing on the back, just some little fun print. Just says artistry palette on it. And let's open this up. I'm excited. I always do that. Okay, so here's the plastic film. The names are not on it. It's just regular. Okay. So here you guys go. This palette is so cute. Okay, so on the top it just says, to all my loving subscribers who have supported me all these years, this one's for you. Okay, and then it says XO JACLYN Hill. Smells good. I love smelling my palettes. I don't know why, but so I love that she put the names actually on the palette and not just on the film like a lot of people do. So there are 35 shades in here, and this palette was $39. Okay, and that's a good price for this many colors. And there's definitely a wide range of colors in here. You have some warm colors, and you have definitely your over-the-top colors down here. I feel like this is a diverse kind of colory palette, and you can use this in any time of the year, which I love. And I feel like everyone should make palettes like that, because some people just have palettes with, you know, kind of like these colors in it that you can't wear all year round. But I am in love with the color selection. So I'm gonna be trying a makeup look, probably I feel like with these colors, but we'll see. And also with buying that, like I said, I got this in store. It came with this cute little makeup bag, and it just looks like this. It actually has a lot of space, definitely enough space for all your brushes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer on my eyes, and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go in with this color called Comfort Zones. No, Comfort Zone. I'm just looking down here at my mirror. Also, by the way, I was the first person to actually buy this palette at my Morphe store. I have a Morphe store right up the street from me, so I was the first person to get this palette. And then I want to see what all this glitter is about over here, so I'm gonna be going in with this color called Get Ready With Me. I'm just gonna go in on the sides right here. I just did something simple because I'm not that good at doing makeup yet, so I just put on a simple base color and then glitter on top of it. That's all usually I do, and it doesn't look that bad. But I do want to swatch a few colors for you guys, so let's see. This pretty pink right here is called Tipsy Girls, so let's see. Okay, and then another one I'm excited about is, I think it's called Talia. I don't want to say that wrong. It does show up, but I probably just didn't put enough on there. And we do have some base colors right here. This one I'm also interested in seeing. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, that is basically it for this video. That was kind of like a first impression kind of video, not too much into detail. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.